right, as a warm-up, and I know it sounds a little silly, but let p of x equal x cubed minus 4x squared plus 2x plus 5. So you have this function. It's a polynomial function. What is p of 2? Go ahead and work it out. Try pausing first. I know this sounds silly, but you should work out. Replace every x with a 2, and you have p of 2 equals 2 to the third minus 4 times 2 to the second plus 2 times 2 plus 5, and this should be eventually equal to the number 1. Now, I know this warm-up seems a little silly, but we are going to use this information. So, taking the function x cubed minus 4x squared plus 2x plus 5, p of 2 simplified eventually to be 1. And we will use this later, so hold on to that information. Now, I'd like to look at 37 over 9 and actually write this as 36 plus 1 all over 9. In other words, 36 over 9 plus 1 over 9. And the reason to choose 36 as the number that's over 9 is because, well, that simplifies to 4, right? So 4 plus 1/9. And in summary, 37 over 9 is equal to 4 plus 1/9. So there's 4 as the whole part and then plus 1/9. Now, a lot of these pieces have names to match it up with some of the notation that's typically used in algebra. 37 is a dividend, 9 is the divisor, 4 is the quotient, and then this number that's up here, still in this, it's the numerator of the fraction. 1 is the remainder. You see it's 1 over a 9, still it's over 9 like it was over here. Now we're going to see this behavior with this kind of equation in general with all kinds of long division, including right here, if you take 238 divided by 6, take a look first at the 20. Well, 2 doesn't go into 6, but then, or rather, sorry, 6 doesn't go into 2, but then 6 goes into 23. Let's see, 6 times what goes into 23? So, well, not quite 4, because that'd be 24. So the next smallest number is 3. 3 times 6 is 18 here. Then 23 minus 18 is 5. There's a subtraction going on here. You bring the 8 down, 58. What goes into 6 with a 58? Well, 9 times 6 is 54, and then when you subtract, you get 4 here as a remainder. So it turns out 238 over 6 is equal to 39 as the quotient, plus a remainder of 4 over 6. Now I know this looks funky just as written. Of course, 4/6 can be simplified as 2/3, but I'd rather not. To keep this 6 in the denominator in both places, you should work it out. If you were to take 39 plus 4 over 6, and you try to turn that into one fraction, you should get 238 over 6.